Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the activation flow. Make sure Windows updates are installed and rebooted. This resolves many communication errors. Once done, open any Office app as administrator, right-click, Run as administrator, so activation can write registry keys. Next, go to File Help Activate Product. Enter the 25-character product key carefully, with no extra spaces. If it fails immediately, note the exact error code. This tells you whether it is a network, key, or license issue, and guides the next steps. Now you tackle the common mid-process hurdles. If online activation returns an error code, try telephone activation. Follow the on-screen prompts to get the install ID and call Microsoft's automated system. It often succeeds when servers or proxies block requests. Also run Office Repair via Control Panel. This fixes corrupted components that block activation. Make sure to temporarily disable firewall or antivirus, then retry activation, because security software can intercept outbound activation traffic and cause failures. Re-enable protection immediately afterwards. Finish the activation by entering the confirmation ID from the phone system or by confirming online success. Once activated, restart Office and verify full product activated under File Help. If activation still fails, uninstall Office completely, reboot, then reinstall and attempt activation before installing updates that might interfere. One key troubleshooting tip: always record the exact error code, message, and timestamp. This lets support or forums match server-side issues or licensing limits, and it speeds resolution considerably when escalation is necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.